Guys and girls, welcome back to Q's and A's. Questions for Antonio. Ask Antonio is our segment. So we have another follower. Her name is Janine. She is from South Jersey, New Jersey. And she just had her shower redone about 6 months ago. And she's noticing some water marks on the ceiling right below the shower. It's actually a tub with a shower. So she can't get a hold of the plumber, so she's asking me what maybe I think. So let me tell you what I think, and I'm going to tell you, you're probably going to be able to fix this real quick. After a new shower is installed, where the tile meets the tub, a lot of times that grout will crack, and water will go down between the tub and the tile. I've seen it 100 times. My guys do not properly seal that area between the tub and the tile before they lay the tile. So it needs to be sealed very well before the tile's installed, so you don't have that issue. And then once the tile's installed, you got to use a siliconized colored caulk, which will then be put along the tub so it doesn't crack instead of a grout. Check that. If you have a crack there, I would clean up the area, get some clear silicone, and put a nice bead across there. The other thing you can check, Janine, is after they put in the new plumbing plates for the diverter, which is your hot and cold, and the tub spout. If there is a small gap and that's not siliconed with a clear silicone, and there's no seal behind those plates, water will get behind there, and it can get behind the wall and then drip down into the to the ceiling. So I've seen that 100 times as well. I think that's going to fix your problem. That's a great question, actually. That's a super great question. I'm glad you brought that up, because that's a huge problem. A lot of people get leaks in their ceilings out of nowhere, and they don't realize what it's from, because you're getting in and out of the shower, you're soaking wet, the water's dripping down. You know, these kids, they make a mess when they get out of the shower. I can tell you right now, my boy, you think he left the hose on in there. Anyway, gotta run. Thanks for all your questions and answers. We're getting on the road now. We're going to buckle up, and we'll see you on the next Q&A. Thanks, guys.